If you need to switch your smart life devices to a new Wi-Fi network due to router upgrades, provider changes, or weak signals, the most reliable method is to remove the device from the Smart Life app, reset it physically, and then re-add it with your new Wi-Fi details. To do this, open the Smart Life app, tap the device, go to Settings, and select Remove Device. Then reset the physical device, usually by holding a button for 5 to 20 seconds, depending on soft or hard reset. Once the light blinks, enter pairing mode, tap the plus icon in the app, select the device type, and enter the new Wi-Fi credentials. Remember, most smart life devices only support 2.4 GHz networks. Alternatively, you can name your new Wi-Fi network and password the same as the old one to auto reconnect devices. If you run into issues, try AP mode. Restart your router, ensure the device is close to the router, or clear the Smart Life app cache. As a last resort, contact Smart Life or Tuya support for help.